Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the center console Dodge Grand Caravan. Begin by disconnecting the battery and securing the vehicle. Warm up your workspace and lay out tools within reach. Remove any seat covers and floor mats to expose fasteners and trim. Work methodically from plastic trim to fasteners, keeping screws labeled and contained. If parts feel stuck, use gentle, even pressure and a trim tool to avoid cracks. Now we move to trim removal, working one piece at a time to avoid damage. Pry up the edges with a plastic tool and watch for hidden screws under rubber trim or covers. As trim releases, set pieces on a soft surface to prevent scratching. Label or photograph clip locations so reassembly is straightforward. Patience here saves time and money, and using gentle force reduces the chance of snapped tabs or warped plastic. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical videos. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles dust and debris while you focus on repairs, and it has voice control for easy commands. It's a small upgrade that keeps workspaces tidy between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With trim off, find the mounting bolts and remove them carefully using a 10mm socket. Take note of bolt lengths and any washers so each goes back in its original spot. Before removing the console fully, disconnect any wiring harnesses for outlets, switches, or lights. Ask an assistant to help lift the console straight up to prevent carpet damage and cable strain. Place the console on a blanket to protect finishes while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.